Matthew, thank you so much for joining us here today at TCF 23. How are you doing? You good?
Great, fantastic. I'm glad to be in TCF 23. It was exciting, fantastic event.
It's been absolutely brilliant. Now, Matthew, for our viewers who might not have seen you before, could you tell us a bit more about yourself and your role at Cognizant, please?
Sure. My name is Matthew Lee again. I run the global platform business for Cognizant. What that means is I have a number of COEs, banking, payments, capital markets, and risk and compliance. They're all product platform business for us. It's one of the fastest growing business for us. And Temenos, in fact, is one of the largest COE partner for our business.
Oh, that is absolutely brilliant. Now, in the nature of partnerships, ecosystems and platforms really take the headlines when it comes to financial services nowadays. What does Temenos do for Cognizant? How do does the cloud SaaS-based platform power Cognizant?
Yes, actually the partnership has been around for 14 years already.
Wow.
We were the first global system integration partner for Temenos. So we come a long way as far as relationship and as far as the journey that we've taken. We actually had many ups and downs, obviously, with our clients as well as a business. But for us, it's always been a good partner of ours. And also we've been building, not just about focusing on implementation, but how do we bring more thought leadership? How do we bring more points of views around Temenos and banking platforms in general? And now as we're journeying into cloud migration, we've been adding many of the acceleration tools to help our infra client move into cloud much faster around Temenos. So we are working with hyperscaler partners to enable that accelerated transformation journey with our clients with partnership with Temenos.
That's tremendous that this technology, cloud-based platforms, can actually enable you to become quicker to market with new products, but also reduce the risk at the same time of adding those.
Yeah, in fact, we actually developed many of the reusable frameworks around Temenos, which allows us to implement Temenos platform 30% faster than ever before.
Wow, that's incredible. Now, one vertical of finance that really has taken the headlines has been payments.
Yeah.
Can you tell us some of the evolutions that Cognizant has made when it comes to the payment sector and what you've been working on in particular with that?
Payments, wow. It's an exciting space. Actually, we are growing about 35+% every year.
Wow.
It's one of the fastest growing business for us. In fact, our global presence in, you name the client, we're already in the payment wise. So for us, payment is something we are deeply rooted. And also when you are talking banking, it's synonymous with payments. You don't have banking without payments. Payments cannot have with banking, right? So it's actually a collaborative environment. So for us, what we've been building in payment space around ISO 20022 standard. So we actually have a gateway that could sit for a Temenos platform to allow clients to meet those requirements much faster. So we're not just bringing thought leadership in this space, but we actually have product platforms that allow us to add more value to Temenos clients as well as our Cognizant clients as well.
That's absolutely brilliant, and you're so right, the international standard is revolutionizing the way that corporate payments, commercial payments are going to be carried out. So how are you meeting that demand, that scale? Have you brought on a brand new, not new workforce, but are you really expanding and scaling when it comes to the back end systems too, the boots on the ground, I want to say too?
Yeah. So good question. As far as our COE is concerned, we consider Temenos as a COE. Temenos COE is our largest COEs among all our business in the platform business, but payments is number 2. It's fast growing. We have a global presence and global footprint. So wherever clients are implementing these solutions, whether it's in Europe or Asian region, North America, South America, we're there. In fact, our teams are growing leaps and bounds, and we have functional knowledgeable people around payments, regulations, as well as all these fast-moving, payments changing all the time. Right? Fed now in America, they're coming in with a new requirement. But guess what? We have a platform for that too. Now we can actually a conversion tool that could sit on our Temenos platform that allows our clients to meet those requirements much faster as well. So we've been adding these value to many of our clients as well as we are excited to work with Temenos on some of the partnerships.
It's absolutely brilliant to hear how not only are the regulations are changing, so the customer demands, creating this perfect storm. And I'm glad that the two organizations can really scale together at the same speed. Now, We're obviously here at TCF 23, but I know you were also attending Money 2020 over in Amsterdam together. What's Money 2020 mean for Cognizant, and what are you excited about partnering with Temenos again at such an important event?
I think you could use the Temenos and Cognizant synonymously, kind of together.
Yeah.
Because we've been partnered for, as I said before, 14 years already. So us working together is not something new. It's something familiar, something that we have such a deep ingrained in our organization that when it comes to Temenos in our organization, it's already a known name for us. We have 350,000 people globally, but yet Temenos is up there as far as one of our biggest partner in our organization, and we're continuing to spread the goodwill as well as Cognizant name brand with Temenos globally, whether it's in ASEAN region, Americas, or Europe. So what it means for to attend Money 2020 together as a partner is a next step in the journey. As the payments moving very, very fast, the industry changing very quickly, being able to partner with a core banking platform partner like Temenos to be able to add value together, we're very, very excited. And obviously we're looking forward to having this collaborative story, how we work together, not just in a name, but actually building collaterals together to be able to service our clients.